Today's video on Women's Wellness Guide is about increasing low milk supply. Breastfeeding is a wonderful way to provide essential nutrients to your baby while fostering a strong bond between mother and child. However, some mothers may face challenges with low milk supply, which can be frustrating and overwhelming. Fortunately, there are several effective strategies to help increase milk production. Tips to increase milk supply. 1. Breastfeed frequently. Feeding your baby on demand is one of the most effective ways to boost milk supply. Aim to breastfeed every 2 to 3 hours during the day and every 3 to 4 hours at night. This frequent stimulation helps trigger the hormones responsible for milk production. 2. Skin-to-skin contact. Holding your baby close to your bare chest can promote the release of hormones that stimulate milk production. This practice not only helps your baby feel secure, but also enhances bonding and reduces stress for both of you. 3. Breast compression. While breastfeeding, gently compress your breast to help increase milk flow. This technique can encourage your baby to get more milk and signal your body to produce additional milk. 4. Pump after feedings. Using a breast pump after nursing can help empty your breasts more completely, which signals your body to produce more milk. However, be cautious not to overpump, as this can lead to sore nipples and potentially decrease milk supply. 5. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for milk production. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily and include foods rich in protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Foods like oatmeal and fenugreek are known to promote lactation. 6. Consider herbs and supplements. Some herbs and supplements, such as fenugreek and blessed thistle, may help increase milk supply. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, as they can have side effects or interact with other medications. When to seek support. Every woman's breastfeeding journey is unique, and fluctuations in milk supply are common. If you're experiencing challenges, don't hesitate to seek support from a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. With patience, perseverance, and a positive mindset, you can work towards increasing your milk supply and providing your baby with the best possible nutrition. Remember, breastfeeding can be a learning process for both you and your baby. By implementing these strategies and seeking support when needed, you can overcome challenges related to low milk supply and enjoy a fulfilling breastfeeding experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more pregnancy-related content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.